wiper. Just caught him with a one eye. I'm gonna take him home and cook him up. Nice, that one hit hard. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, look at him. Just got him on the flicker shad, size 7. He's a nice one. Let's see what he's up. 22 inches. Not bad. Gonna let him go. It's a drum. Pretty nice drum. All right, there he goes. Sort of. Come on. Nice, fish on. There's another little one. Maybe I'll throw him on the stringer too. Shit, I don't think he's worthwhile keeping. Just gonna throw him back. Nice, fish on. That one's a good one. Oh. Actually, that's a keeper. Try and get this on camera here. So there's the tooth patches for the white bass. Hopefully that focuses. But you can see, here's his lateral line. Goes right to the end. And then this one below is the one you got to look for. If that's not complete to the end, it's a white bass. Nice, fish on. Another drum. Man, these drum keeps smacking these flicker shad. Holy, I think this is a huge drum. Oh no, it's a wiper. There we go. Not a bad one. Try and get in his mouth. So you can see it's the tongue patch is split in two. That's pretty good. We'll let him go. Nice fish on. Oh, that's a good one. He got away. Oh well. Here we go. Oh yeah, nice. Not a bad size one. There we go. Another drum. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Nice long lateral line. It's one underneath. It's not complete to the tail. And the toothy patch, just one in the back. So it's a white bass. We'll send him off. There we go. Oh, came off. So I'm gonna call it a day there. The water's rising pretty good. I've caught quite a few bass. I'm gonna take those two home and cook them up. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna just rinse them off. You don't have to put the bass in water, but this will help you prevent the scales from going all over the place. So there we go. All the scales are off. And we just have to do the other side. They're all in the sink. Okay, there we go. No more scales. Now we need to gut the fish. So carefully cut the bottom side. Go back and forth, and then you will slowly pierce the skin without puncturing anything on the inside. If you have the sharper your knife is, the better. Right down to the anus there. Right before the anal fin. It can be a bit tough between these pectoral fins. Okay, so we want to get rid of the gills as well. So cut this part of the mouth just underneath, up like that, and then put your finger through like this, and your other finger against that, and pull, and you should be able to get the gills all out. So I'm going to be making a recipe from Jamie Oliver. He's this British chef, if you haven't heard of him. He does all these 5 ingredients or less meals, and they're all pretty quick to make. I saw this one at my mom's house when I was in Canada, and I've been wanting to make it since. Finally got something worth cooking it with. There were a lot of people that wanted me to do a white bass catch and cook, and I finally got into them. Here's how you do it. Okay, we're gonna need a large frying pan and some olive oil. So just heat your pan to medium-high heat. While you're waiting for the pan, make some slits in your fish. He says every 2 centimeters, so I think that's about 2 centimeters. Okay, now we have some Thai chili red curry paste, which we're going to use to coat this fish. This is the only recipe I'm using this curry paste for, so I'm just going to get right in here. But make sure to get in between these cracks here. And get on the inside of the fish as well. We'll do the other side. Okay, I got a bunch of cilantro here. So I'm just going to chop off the stems. I'm going to use these to stuff the inside of the bass. That's probably too much, by a lot. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. Our pan feels pretty hot, so I'm going to throw some oil on there. Okay, so after 3 or 4 minutes, we're going to flip this over. So that was probably a little too long on that side. A little burnt, that's okay. There's a lot of meat there, so I'm not too worried about it. You can see it's nicely cooked. Okay, well his jaw's falling apart and the tail hangs out the end, so just gonna take that off. Okay, this smells pretty good. I didn't put anything on there besides that red curry paste, so I'm gonna throw some salt, pepper, and I've got some lime juice. Probably be better if you have real limes, but I use this stuff. It tastes pretty good. And I've got my fish knife. Tastes pretty good. The skin's really crunchy. See what these pectoral fins taste like. Not that great. It's like chewing bones. There's a lot of meat on here. Good thing I'm just eating meat for dinner. Maybe I'll have a salad later on though. So you can actually eat like every bit of meat on this fish because the bones come right off the meat. So there's no waste. It's pretty nice too. Just grabbing pieces of cilantro and eating it with this. So that was really good. Yeah, but it turned out really well. I'm gonna have it again tomorrow with a wiper bass. Highly recommend it.